In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Solana to USDT. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your crypto wallet account. And at this point, I'm using my Binance account in here. So all you need to do is to simply sign in your account in here. And to start converting or exchanging Solana to USDT, you can start navigating some of the options in here on the top panel, such as buy crypto, markets, trade, futures. But in those options, kindly proceed by clicking the trade option in here. And below, just select convert and block trade. And by simply clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. And as you can see, you have here three options to do that. We have here instant, recurring, and limit. Now under instant, you can simply select here the type of cryptocurrency you want to exchange. And I'm going to select Solana in here. However, as you can see, it will show in here your balances. Now below 2, just simply select here the coin which is USDT. And after that, from here, just simply enter the amount of Solana you want to exchange. And upon entering here, for example, 12 Solana, it will show in here the amount of USDT it has been converted. And below it will show you the rate of each or one Solana equivalent to USDT in here. Then just proceed by clicking Preview Conversion button below, and upon doing so, on this pop-up window, it will show you the payment method that you need to follow and also the transaction fee. And after that, by clicking the Increase Solana button below here, and after that, you will be able to receive a USDT amount that has been converted from Solana to USDT. And you could also do the same process under this recurring. However, the only difference is that you can select the frequency in here, such as hourly, daily, weekly, and many more. While under this limit, you can choose to convert the Solana to USDT when a specific price in here has been hit. But overall, that is just basically how you can convert Solana to USDT. Thank you.